Hello Fmges, hello my people, how are you all? I hope you're doing good and studying well for exam, as only 15 to 20 days are left for exam. Exam is knocking on your door, guys. So I've come here with some high point that should be taken care of at this point of time. So guys, my first point is stop your all main notes, start focusing on the rapid revision thing and all the short notes and all the things that you have highlighted or you forget before the exam, or that is important for you. Second point, guys, PYQ. It's a sin to go to the examination hall without doing PYQ, guys. Now, guys, how to read PYQs? You don't need to solve now PYQs, right? We all know the PDFs are available for the PYQs. Morning to evening, read your notes, and before going to bed, read one paper, 300 questions. Remember it, then go to bed. Like this, you have to increase the number of questions because till exam you have to complete all the 5 years PYQ, guys. Don't be anxious, guys. I know at this point of time we all are anxious what will happen and all. Don't be anxious. Whatever you have read is more than enough to pass. Fourth point, guys, whatever GTs you have given before, start reading that, start revising your GTs what you have given and the questions that have gone wrong at that point of time. Then don't leave your GTs like that. So these are the points I wanted you to take care of. And one more thing, guys, start praying. जब कोई साथ नहीं देता है ना तो ऊपर वाला साथ देता है. All the very best, guys. I wish you guys very good luck. I want all you to pass and clear this boundary, come this side.